800 million years ago, our solar system was struck by a catastrophic event that reshaped the inner planets and may have influenced the very course of life on Earth. New research from the Southwest Research Institute reveals that a massive asteroid collision in the main asteroid belt triggered a prolonged bombardment episode across the inner solar system, leaving a geological scar that persisted for hundreds of millions of years. The event began when a primitive carbonaceous chondrite-like parent body, large enough to be classified as a dwarf planet, suffered a violent impact that shattered it completely. What emerged from the destruction was not just scattered debris, but a cosmic shotgun blast aimed directly at the terrestrial planets. The parent object that formed what astronomers now call the Eulalia asteroid family broke apart in a location that turned out to be extraordinarily consequential. The Eulalia parent body orbited in a region known as the J3:1 resonance, a gravitational gateway where an asteroid travels around the Sun exactly 3 times during each orbit of Jupiter. This is not a coincidence of orbital mechanics. In this configuration, repeated gravitational nudges from Jupiter gradually destabilize nearby asteroids, acting like an escape route from the main asteroid belt, pushing objects into elongated orbits that cross the paths of Mars, Earth, and even Venus. According to Dr. William Botka, the lead researcher on the study, the position of the Eulalia parent body at the brink of this resonance made the breakup especially dangerous. About half of the fragments from the collision entered the J3:1 resonance almost immediately, beginning their journey toward the inner solar system. The resonance scattered this planetary debris through the inner solar system, increasing the number of impacts on the Moon, Earth, Mars, and possibly other rocky worlds. But the bombardment did not end quickly. During the following 100 to 150 million years, another 25% of the fragments gradually moved into the resonance through the Yarkovsky effect, a subtle force caused by heat. An asteroid absorbs sunlight during its rotation and later releases that energy as infrared radiation. Because the heat is emitted unevenly across the surface, it produces a tiny push that can slowly but steadily change the asteroid orbit over millions of years. The modeling developed by the SwRI team shows that the Eulalia breakup could plausibly explain the increase in lunar craters dated to roughly 800 million years ago. The heavily cratered surface of the Moon serves as a reminder of the large impacts in Earth's past. But until now, only the Chicxulub impact event 66 million years ago has been strongly linked to a specific effect on life, namely the mass extinction of the dinosaurs. Earth would have received far more impacts than the Moon because it is much larger and has stronger gravity. Researchers estimate that for every large object that struck the Moon, roughly 20 objects of a similar or greater size hit Earth. Most physical evidence of those impacts has since disappeared from Earth's surface because Earth is geologically active. Volcanoes create new rock, plate tectonics reshape the continents and ocean floors, and weathering gradually breaks down exposed landscapes. Yet the timing of this bombardment overlaps with a period of widespread cooling and major biological changes. The coincidence offers a compelling target for future research. Given that the peak of this barrage coincides with a period of widespread cooling and major shifts in our biosphere, it is tempting to suggest that the former produced the latter, said Botka. On Mars, these impacts would have triggered substantial episodes of seismic shaking and can be linked in time with a surge in volcanic activity. The study showcases how certain catastrophic collisions in the main belt could have had far-reaching consequences for the history of the terrestrial planets, linking a single event in the asteroid belt to planetary-wide geological and potentially biological consequences across multiple worlds. The research demonstrates that the role impacts have played in shaping the origin and evolution of life in our solar system remains poorly understood. Far older collisions are much harder to reconstruct than the dinosaur-killing Chicxulub event, because geological evidence from impacts more than 650 million years old is incredibly scarce on Earth. But by studying asteroid showers, periods when fragments from a major collision repeatedly strike planets and moons across the inner solar system, scientists are beginning to piece together this missing chapter of our cosmic history. This research, published in the Astronomical Journal, provides a new framework for understanding how a single event in the asteroid belt could have echoed across the entire inner solar system, affecting the Moon, Earth, and Mars over hundreds of millions of years. It reminds us that our planet has never been isolated from the violent dynamism of its cosmic neighborhood, and that the history of life on Earth is inextricably linked to the chaotic dance of asteroids orbiting just beyond our world. This has been HISTORIAE Orbis Terrarum. Join us next time for more stories from the frontiers of space and discovery. This has been HISTORIAE Orbis Terrarum. Join us next time for more stories from the frontiers of space and discovery.